Okay, Casey, I'm going to do a little recording here. Just I'm experimenting with this as support mechanism. So I've got this topo here. And what I did was I broke it up into four surfaces. Surface 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I look at each of those, just kind of show you what I'm working with, not that it's that big of a deal. And if I look at the feature properties, I just want to show you that if I highlight these, you'll see that this is a part of a surface down here, and you'll see that I've got this. These are all just pieces, pieces of topo, and I've got a piece in here that's a common edge, which is this center. I got surface 1. If I look at all these, it's like this part up here, and it has this same kind of common edge. So this one is in this DTM. If I look at the second surface and select them all, it's area over here, but this is a common edge. And I just for naming purposes, I just called it this number surface 2 common edge. And I basically just took this DTM and broke it up into 3 parts, or 4 parts I should say, but they all have this common edge. Here's maybe a little bit different, but yeah, I'm sure this will kind of all make sense to you here. This is a pretty simple process actually. So you're just going to go to Surface, Edit, and then Copy Portion of a surface. Copy Portion of a surface leaves the 4 or however many you have intact, and it's moving that data or copying that data into another surface. So Copy Portion of a surface, you pick a source surface, surface 1, and you put it into a destination combo surface. Don't worry about this clip by because you're not having a fence, you're doing it all. So basically, it's all this gets selected, and these are all unique names. Normally, you'd have this set to rename, just in case there's any similar names that it adds a 1 or a 2 on it, so it retains all the information. If you click Append, it'll attach a manhole feature with a manhole feature in another DTM and put them both into a feature called manhole. It doesn't do anything wrong. I mean, it doesn't change anything. It's just kind of the way each feature is independent, or it's combined into a single feature. Doesn't change the DTM anyway. So you start with surface 1 and basically say go ahead and copy all of that, like everything here, into a destination combo. So I'm just going to apply this. So basically now all of these have been copied into the surface combo. So if we look at combo, it's got everything in it from surface 1. So now if we go back in here, copy portion of a surface, I mean, of course you could just stay in here. You're going to go take surface 2 and push it into combo. And you're going to do everything but the common edge. I'm going to take that one out, and you'll see all this stuff highlights over here. So it's everything but the common edge. This common edge is already in there from the other surface. So just apply this. Now rename. These are all unique names because of the way I did it, but you want to set that to rename. Apply this. All that's thrown in there. Set this to surface 3. Take everything except the common one. I'm holding the control key down and just deselecting the common edge. Rename. So it's taking everything from surface 3, shoving it into combo. And then I'm going to take surface 4, going down here to that common one, deselecting that, and apply. So now look at the feature properties, and combo should have all of 1, all of 2, all of 3, all of 4. If I highlight all this, you'll see it's got everything in there, but it only has one of the common one. So what you have to do is just on the common ones, only take it from one surface, and then deselect it on the other ones. And that's it. So it's all in one DTM. Triangulate it, save it. You got a combined DTM. Yeah, call me if you have questions or email me. I'll be at the port tomorrow. Alrighty. Good luck.